Hey guys, it's me with the lawn market. So I had another video on this. I did not post it yet, but I installed the new carburetor on it. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought because it didn't come with the right. Let me show you guys. Didn't come with the right circle. I don't know, but didn't come with the right one, so I had to take the old one that was still in pretty decent, well, it was in good enough condition that I took, and the other fuel line that I had didn't work, so I had the Mantis fuel line. That's just the parts machine, and I got it off of, well, it was an extra thing that it came with, but I got it off of that, so now I got it. Okay, on. And I have started before. I'm not going to tell you if it runs good or if it runs at all, but so I think you're supposed to prime it about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to do a few extra. Doesn't hurt to do a few extra. So I'm going to put you guys up here. Well, down here. Well, I don't know. I was gonna start in the year, but I have. It's pretty simple. All you need is a needle nose pliers, a regular pliers. Well, you probably don't even need a regular pliers, and then a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead to get that in. So I'll show you guys. This is gonna be a cold start. Well, I started it last night at 8, and what is it now? About 1:05. So it should be a cold start. I got some gas in it, and let's give it a go. And I did not replace the spark plug. It doesn't need it. But yeah, let's see. Put you guys up here. Well, I don't know. Why do I always say that? I don't know. Well, I'll just put you down here. So it should start. Hopefully. Well, I don't know if it will start or if it will not. I don't know. I haven't started it yet today. So this is going to be a cold start. Gotta choke it. See if it goes. Yeah. There we go. actually wasn't seized. There was a bolt in the piston that was causing it to get stuck. So I'll show you guys again. It will start with the first pull, and I bet there you go, runs like a champ. So yeah, I thought you guys would like that. I bet you do. So, and I'm gonna do, yeah. Oh yeah, I use this, what is it? Oh, I forget what it is. I forget what it's called. What is it called? It's called, oh geez, I forget it. Well, I'll be right back, guys. Well, I gotta get one thing real quick from my mess. Okay, here we go. Wait. And do I have any bags? Okay. So it's called Super Clean. This stuff works like magic to get it off. Right now, see, super clean, and that's true. It gets the grease off really well. Look, I'll spray a little bit. Is that even on? Yeah, it's on. Okay, so there we go. Sprayed a little bit on there. Boom! Look at that. Whoa! Wow! That really does. See y'all? See what it just took off? And that's really nice. So I recommend getting that. It's really nice in my opinion. And yeah, so I just usually spray it all over the rag. Well, you don't want to really spray it on the... I don't have very good pressure. What's up with this? Something clogged? Oh, it's because I had it. Whoops. Oh, you don't want to get that on the floor. But yeah, it works like magic to get the stuff off. Works really well if you don't have a pressure washer. Well, I have a pressure washer, except it's very cold out right now. And I'm not really in the mood to really get the whole thing out. But yeah, I'll demonstrate it on the side right here. So, here's the side. Sorry, that's my mini bike tire. Do a little rubbing back forth. And yeah, I learned this from Henry Mowers and Blowers. He's an awesome guy. He does a lot of videos. But yeah, trying to get in those crevices. I don't know, maybe I should use something finer, something fine to get in there. Well, this works fine. But yeah, so you guys see the front? Look at that. Takes it right off. It's like your dream come true, except it's not. Okay. Should I take that off? Yeah, what the heck? Just take it off. Not attached to anything. What even is this? I'm not sure. You know what that top part is? Oh, that might just be a rack thing. I don't know. Oh, that goes to the piston of the engine. See, that just comes right off with this stuff. Oh, jeez. Well, that's pretty good, honestly. But it seems like pressure washing would just work kind of better. I'll put that back on. Take the screwdriver. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it runs pretty well. I haven't really used it on anything yet because it's winter. Focus. So yeah, well, this is gonna be a lawnmower kid. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm out. Bye. See you next time on the next one.